Want strong, clean welds with no oxidation? Learn how purging gas works and how much flow rate you actually need.
The key to welding stainless steel is the argon purge. We flood the backside of the pipe to prevent oxidation, otherwise you get this sugary effect. Flow rate in liters per minute equals the weld area in liters divided by purge time in minutes. Or simply,
the most common gases used for purging, back purging, in welding are argon and nitrogen. An inert gas. It is the most common purge gas, especially for stainless steel, titanium, and nickel alloys, or welding applications requiring a clean route pass. The choice of purging gas for stainless steel typically comes down to argon, R, and nitrogen. Argon is the universally safe, inert gas that simply displaces oxygen, and quick tips for avoid oxidation in welding. Always see lengths of pipe. Use purge dams or tape. Check for leaks. Start purge 1-2 minutes before welding. Use oxygen meter if available.